Hi everyone, my name is Natasia Kristi Milala. I'm from D class of FKH Udayana University. Here I will presentation about guidelines on animal care and use for education. Caring for animals can foster a child's sense of empathy, responsibility, imagination, and emotional closeness towards animals. Besides that, interacting with pets can help us more focused. Okay, the first is replacement experimental animals by methods alternative. Alternative methods such as mathematical models, computer simulations, and system in vitro biologics that can replace or complement the use of animals should be considered before starting a project involving animals and possible alternative methods. So the second method is the number of animals used must be the minimum required to provide scientifically valid result. The principle of reducing the number of animals used should not be implemented if the load received is greater than the individual animal itself. Scientific activities involving the use of animals must not be repeated or duplicated unnecessarily. The last method is refinement of the project and methods to reduce impacts on animals. So 3.1. The following are several things that must be considered when selecting animals. The animals selected must be of good quality and of species suitable for the scientific activity and question, taking into account their biological characteristics, including behavior, genetic, and nutritional. Wild animals may be taken from their normal habitat only if captive animals are unavailable or unsuitable from the specific project or experiment in question. 3.2. Here are some things that must be done to reduce impacts on animals. Project must be designed to avoid pain or suffering to animals. If contraction occurs, it is assumed that the procedure performed will cause pain and suffering to humans. Procedures that cause pain or suffering for a long time animals. Surgery or other procedures that cause pain are not allowed carried out. Animals paralyzed due to internal chemical treatment and anesthetized unless the animal has undergone a surgical procedure according to which sensory awareness has been lost. So the conclusion of my presentation today is animals have a role that can be underestimated in maintaining the sustainability of our environment. Without animal conservation, many negative impacts can occur on this earth. Therefore, we need to understand and take steps to maintain balance and preserve animals. So that's all of my presentation today. I say sorry if I make mistakes in my pronunciation, and I say thank you for attention. Thank you.